So Leute, hallo und herzlich willkommen auch nochmal dann von meiner Seite. Heute mal mit einem Gast hier auf meinem YouTube-Kanal und zwar mit Federico. Federico ist der CEO von PHEMEX. So, Federico, nice that you here with me, and I think it's very interesting for my audience and for my viewers. So you can tell something about you, and then we can speak about the Bitcoin price and something else. What is PHEMEX doing in the future?
Sure. It's nice to be here. We are very proud of the BitBull community, and Bastian is a long-term partner. We've been working together for a long time now. I am Federico. I am the CEO of PHEMEX. I've been working at PHEMEX since 2019. I was part of the founding team. I knew the co-founders previously. So yeah, right now I've been sat in this position as CEO for the past 6 months. And I've been responsible for the launch of these new projects we are undertaking with the token. So yeah, it's very happy to be here in Singapore for Token 2049. We had a panel speech with other CEOs from the exchanges. It's been a nice experience, and it's great to catch up with Bastian as well.
Yeah, how your thoughts about the Token 2049? Was it good, or do you like the event?
Yeah, I think it's one of the best conferences around, probably the best. I think the quality of the projects and the quality of the speakers is the highest. And Singapore is a great city. A lot of our partners are here, a lot of our collaborators, and everyone comes here into the city for this event. So I would recommend, if you get the chance to.
Yeah, so a lot of people are here. It's crazy. The whole city is full because Formula 1 is as well on Friday, Saturday and Sunday. Perfect timing for the Token 2049, right? Yeah, okay, cool. Maybe you can explain a little bit more for my customers of yours about the XBT token.
Yes.
Because a lot of people are asking me, hey, what are the next plans, or what is PHEMEX planning in the future with it? Maybe you can explain a little bit more.
So, as you're familiar probably with, in crypto there is several exchanges, right? And I think the standards for exchanges have become higher and higher to the point that pretty much we offer all the same products, right? So we wanted to release a product that allowed us to retain our customers better by allowing them to share our growth and our revenue. So we came up with this token design, borrowing from a few successful DeFi protocols, in a way that our users will become as if they were equity holders for our company. So we want them to...
That's interesting, the equity holders thing.
We want them to be as close to us. They feel like partners for the exchange. When we succeed, they succeed. So we want for our traders to be able to proudly say, hey, I trade on PHEMEX. The same way as you can see some DeFi protocol have been successful in generating these feelings in their users.
But in my opinion, it's the first time an exchange is doing this, right?
Yes, exchanges are pretty, I would say, they're thinking about their own revenue. You know, it's a very profitable business, so revenue sharing is also a sensitive topic in terms of regulations. But we designed a system that allows us to safely release this token without any issues in terms of regulative oversight.
Yeah, that's very interesting. And right now, if you trade on PHEMEX, you get the XPT, right? And then you have the conversion to the PT token after that, right?
Yeah, that's correct. So I would recommend anyone to mine the token. So you just mint the NFT and then you start trading. You have nothing to lose. Like your volume get translated into the token, so there is no downside for it. The NFT is basically free to mint, so you get access to the token just by trading as you're doing normally. Yeah,
and because the guys and the traders are trading, and you get it for free.
Yeah, yes.
Yeah, and this is very nice. So guys. Yeah, trade on PHEMEX. What are the next plans for the token? Can you maybe imagine some details more? Maybe the launch day or something like that?
We will announce it formally very soon. The exact launch date. I would guess it's probably in the coming quarter. The market is still looking a little bit flat, shaky. We're looking for a few things to play out, like what's happening with Binance, with regulations for other exchanges. So we want to see a little bit, to avoid launching right a week before a Black Swan event or something. we want to time the market as much as we can.
Yeah, that's true. Oh, okay. Yeah, but then it's in the fourth quarter this year?
Yeah, that's what we're aiming for. Yeah. Okay. The market, to launch the token, the market is okay now. We're just worried about some event we couldn't predict, and since there are some rumors around other exchanges, we want to make sure that they are doing fine. You know, we don't want to like bring bad luck to other exchanges, but everyone was sure that FTX was safe, and they were not. So we want to like take a a good look at the market before we decide to go.
And now we have the Binance thing with the BNB token, and all this stuff is a little bit tricky right now at the moment. I'm with you. So
yes, there is a lot of doubts about Binance. You know, they've been operating for a long time, so they are a cornerstone in the industry. At the same time, it's obvious that there's been a lot of like misconduct in terms of management in the past. I believe those issues have been resolved later on, but it doesn't mean that Binance is not going to get heavily fined or incapacitated from a regulative point of view.
Yeah.
So we have to wait and see.
Yeah, we have to wait. That's true. That's true. And what do you think about the actually at the moment the Bitcoin price? So the Bitcoin price is trading about the range in 26,000. Nothing has happened. Volume is decreasing, and nothing happened. Right? What do you think? Why is it? And maybe you can take a prediction of your of the end of the year. What do you think?
Yes, I think there is a lot of pending things in the market right now, which means that people are not as confident about buying Bitcoin, for example. So maybe people are waiting to get a wick down to scoop up some BTC around 19K or something.
The question is if they're buying then or not. All are waiting. Yeah, come on, go down, and I want to buy it, but
when it happens, no one buys. That's a good point. I do think that this year might be slow in general until towards the end of 2024. I think that's where we're going to see like more of a rally outside of crypto as well in all markets, and I think the interest rates might go lower. Maybe new election for the US presidents, all that. So I think that's going to contribute to a better sentiment in the market. I think right now probably we might get some like inside the business bubble, like an eco bubble. I think I wouldn't lever up right now. Like I think we might expect some significant price movement just because there is much less liquidity in the market. Like participants are staying out, market makers too. Liquidity in all the markets are pretty low. So be careful about wicks. We tried our best to get as much liquidity on the exchange as we can, but you know the whole industry is suffering a little bit on this. I know that. And maybe the next halving is around the corner. It's in April, you know. Do you think we have this bad market or this boring market till the next halving? What your opinion? I think that we might have like some media buzz a little bit before, so maybe some retail gets back into it just because you know it's an easy narrative. But usually like halvings are like a longer term. They have longer term impact, right? So not after 6 months, 1 year later. So I think we might see like a small pump before, and then like disappointing, a sell the news event with the halving.
Sell the news event.
And then a few months later, we will see the actual event. So
guys, take care about the sell the news event, right?
Yeah.
So so thank you for your thoughts. Thank you that we take here a little bit a small and quick interview together. So thank you very much for your time.
Thank you, Bastian.
And we stay in contact, and I bring you guys the best what I can. So thank you very much, Federico.
And thank you, guys.
Thank you. Bye bye. Okay, Leute, also das war so das kleine Interview mit Federico. Ich hoffe, euch hat's gefallen. Lasst doch gerne mal einen Kommentar da, gerne auch unten einfach mal einen Like rausballern und gerne abonnieren. In diesem Sinne, haut rein, bis dann, euer Basti. Ciao, ciao.